Welcome back, everyone. In today's episode, we're going to take an exciting look at NASA's upcoming Artemis program and the bold plans to return astronauts to the lunar surface after decades away. It's been over 50 years since Apollo astronauts last explored the lunar landscape. Can you believe it's been that long? An entire generation has grown up only seeing the moon from afar. Well, NASA is finally ready to change that by sending crews back to our celestial neighbor once again, and this time with the ambitious goal of establishing a sustained presence through the 2020s. The top objective for Artemis is to land the very first woman and the next man on the moon by 2025. Talk about an historic milestone. NASA is aiming to touch down near the lunar South Pole, where craters with permanently shadowed regions could contain troves of frozen water. But Artemis won't just be about planting flags and footprints. The science goals are incredibly exciting. NASA is planning extensive exploration across the surface to reveal all kinds of secrets about the moon's geology, history, and environment. There's so much to uncover through experiments, sample collections, and on-the-ground studies. We could learn about things like water in the inner solar system, study the radiation risk of the moon to better protect future astronauts, investigate permanently shadowed craters where the temperature drops to negative 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Who knows what ancient material from across the solar system could be preserved in those frigid depths? I'm also fascinated by the potential for finding evidence of the moon's ancient magnetic field by studying lunar rocks and piecing together the cataclysmic history of meteorite impacts that shaped the early solar system. Over 800 pounds of samples were collected during Apollo. Just imagine what we could learn from modern analysis of even more moon rocks. Now, planting flags is fun, but NASA has a much bigger ambition for Artemis than just footprints and flags. The program aims to learn how to live and operate on another world in a sustainable way for a long time. Using lunar resources will be the key. There's water ice at the poles that could be mined to produce oxygen, drinking water, and rocket fuel. NASA also wants to test technologies for future Mars missions, like creating fuel from carbon dioxide atmosphere. The moon offers the perfect nearby workshop to hone crucial skills for deeper space exploration. So in summary, Artemis is going to accelerate humanity's expansion into the solar system in a big way. Through this program, NASA is hoping to uncover lunar secrets, demonstrate capabilities for Mars, and develop a sustained human presence on and around the moon. There's definitely exciting times ahead.